ade ba ko a ekoso a ehadwene me se to emabunu ne wo mu a sebe omu bewura abrabo mu fufuro sei no aya na emeya sanse we've been there before na ya na mu an kakran na wo share that state and how a filia na no ma bia ya na ekoso ewo sa ebia ho na ehadwene. And today it's all about issues a ekoso ewo the National Service Authority NSC or Mwakachi. Now there are concerns that over 12 million Ghana cedis, that's 12.6 million Ghana cedis, a deductions here. National Service Authority amma ho kwan say ye better tie free allowance ya yedema National Service personnel no wono esika ni mu allowance ni mu na se esika no akọ National Service Personnel Association akachi tie ni yepa na wo bu de se esika no abua training bi ese capacity building na that 12.6 million no abe generate a whole lot of issues because already no National Service Authority nankasa ejumedie mu no ensem wo ho and the CEO previous government no akachi a e ma ne ye clear say National Service wo no akwa say baby a ye sheda enyunu oman yi fa pa na ye de bokro no bo man yi kro no sanse Auditor General report ama ye hu say Secretary Shepherd Dream kankan ye koso National Service Authority ho no enya asem ketwa. So under the previous government as we speak empanifo pinu agina mranim a emra ehwe yesi binum kura according to Attorney General no o kire say wo mo ahyase a wo ye plea bargain e bi pese sika a wo mo fire no mo tua back, and it tells you the extent of corruption across the National Service Authority between 2017 to 2024. So okay, ya ka say yero say sibe wonu mu ginam gift to aware mon sem ne namu kwaku ohini jan mon ne wo mo ekeka ho nyina. These issues are ongoing. According to Attorney General ne kire say bi kura April say wonu betua sika ni bi back. Enti National Service Authority ho asem de. He say me how I see that authority no kire say akwai to say baby a ya hyeda akreti a amanfo de be fa ho de ball man yi kro no de ye at the expense of this poor youth one more wie omo school obe pedwuma bia ye no eso osumo man kakra no sika fia no man ne de ma omo 715 Ghana cedis 57 pesos bi da chire keke say sika ketwa we yo na enum no mpanimfo no bi de bokro no ya da me ya yetimi hu say 1.01 billion. That's over 1 billion Ghana cedis. Yetimi National Service Authority osika no ya ne basa under the previous government. And who send by Auditor General e report you betu dwa. Sika ko hopa. Ba say sika no enya nwanwa. Say ye be audit na obi a wanya 90 years ni din e wo mu se wo ye National Service. Now we need the shocking revelation recently. The current authority no director no dia betu dwa. Acting Director General Ruth Sedo Edia Betruja watch him say almost hwehwe mu bienum over 1,000 babies oh enkwada ebi wa 3 months omudi wo mu so omo ye National Service ene da ho no Osi National Service Authority audit discovered almost 1,000 babies under age 1 on this payroll enkwada under 1 year ebi wa 3 months bi wa 6 months ebi nyanya 1 year omo ye National Service eji akatua wo musikaba over 1,000 babies. That is how serious corruption across the National Service Authority wo makache bra Facebook perade. Na the recent one abaya amaye ka ho asem abaya buya no bebre no akoye 60 Ghana cedis ye deducting National Service personnel for 3 months. Yes, ye de no be ye capacity buildings ye de be training wo mu just say utia sem no kura entasumu and Tosumu National Service Personnel Association yes omone Zeus Atlas Limited aqua agreement bi so meye training bi emfa national service personnel omo mayimu. And that agreement is about 12.6 million Ghana cedis. Deal a omo omako. Ye better to say SK in free personnel no near the amasa say company so omo mfa meye capacity building omo training omo. And the big question I asked is say your capacity building and your personal thing. Ebia obi o ye interested bia beba voluntarily na ya de ayede build omu yie e de aboa wo man na it must be state funded. Esa buying a funding not from the amiga allowance na yede ma omo 715.57 what's our 60 cities na ka say. Do you know what they go through? National service ni ye ma omo dan o. Ti say aban adwumafo mpanimfo a ya ma mbangulu na motititi mu no wo mom ko han dan. They pay light bill, water bill, safa car kwa juma na 715 Ghana cedis a month. Now what's our 60 cedis a free me say me dey a capacity one building. What capacity building? What capacity building? Company now wakomu awaye the national service no. Any adwumakuo na wode ne kwoto mu postu no ko say onye national service no. So omo ntimi building the capacity ade ne ko koye dey. I'm asking you, where you school? Ebi awokosua hawa ye hwehwe ayi console. And I didn't go to engineering firm bi mu say onkosua how to build or obehwehwe console no. Enti wudne ko ho no. Say omuntimi mua no e ma won practice ni nimdie ne building the capacity on nimdie na obeji wo university ne dia. Na ne opostu ne so wonkoye dey wo ho. Because posting na nkasa no obi on kra de okosua ba bia de be kokora nya ho na chese esen kokko na ye de na kotu ba bi nti ade na osua no ene ba bia de na kotu no kora bo abira na ebi so akowurawura mti ono ba bia open ye de na be ko chese wo hwe de ekoso ho na airtime. If we need to build their capacity it should come from the public funds enya wo musika ketwa no na eno no National Service Authority atiase a starting ye deduction just because your association in a bekan into ye de tetia momu na moto as authority na moyam penimfo amoda no rusedo moyam penimfo amoda no you don't know that this will affect them. Say udidi na wa men yemfa ntuhunu nhya ben so omo kɔ na kom de omo a enwuma na omo ye service no be wiawia no ma ho ade no kura wo kɔ practice ya building ho no enko yie because e kom de no sika na mu susua na ye set tete so. Why should this even insensitive thing happen? Yanyene wo mo ho root ye bo udin de na mnim say yes wo betimi agina mu pa yayi oh na no we be fa o birthday hu kra ne ade ne ye ka bi na wo di birthday ko ye nsem bebre na ye ka bi ma but this intigo ha wunua ba ma wunua ba e na ye national service then you agree say yensanti 60 cities out of the 715 Ghana cedis kitwa we mu a root way wunua ba ma be ode. How can we be this insensitive? 60 na mo atiti ni nyina root mo mfa wo ma de ma wo refund that money. We'll refund that money to them. Refund it. See a person ye more capacity building kotro wan ko aban mu mahama beba muska mumfanye sa capacity building not from their 715. Why? On said National Service Authority Board no etna se a wo mtre sa asemu omo say sebe sa de ne nyansa bia nim nti omo so munyai cancel it immediately. Jafatu sumame National Service Authority Board orders NASPA to suspend those training agreement, directs NSA to halt that these actions. Faso bi ani so. En kwada mu kom de omo dada. Omo kokra se bebre nu a ye mu bi no ho a omo frɛ ye o. Ye send omo ska o. Na o se me light bill na so. Ba chese Edding. You calculate say o benya 715 ti me de 300 kra so ne so a at least we nya 1000 kakra no de akwai say say musa akwoti su 60 no wo mo ya na chese ye bagi bia ka ho bra ya tete su o e de enso no enti Director General Ruth Della Sedo ade we de not no yes mo hoto munyai saadi we munyai si yebe build omo a capacity a troko na mo fund through the state and build omo. What kind of capacity? Dear capacity na mo build. What is that even initiative about? De bia yes saadi we omo da utie national service for now omo kura awi omo taaye saadi na ne de abetete omo kakra omo ya over the years sa ne de abetete omo sa enti we na abeye dede saadi na mo enti capacity be ya na mo build over the years and those things are ya na mo ye fast ye. What is that? 12.6 million. Enye sika ketwa. President John Dramani Mahama, some of the agencies and authorities me say amam panimfo no bebre no enuma egu omanimu ase na ese wo mo legacy some of these agencies, authorities, institutions we no omo operations omo ye ubehu si yakohu na sikadie ni ade na no ma bebre akoso ho a ha dwene ma wani nko National Service Authority wo because ebi ba ye nche ebi na gina mra no and on see ebo a ye ka say previous government no matter what Akufo-Addo din bam. And so, President of the Republic, the National Service Authority, because the sign I show say the board itself, I can say they should stop. Oma analyzing who says sabe a nini na so papa biano. Oma ask you to just stop that thing. No, actually say bibi and National Service for no kafra. Because some of these things are cost because omuni kamafo. Me bia homa insesia no ma frefra. And then who's a girl si bi akoshe be ma bi dem na be ma no asebe won hye nim nyanse bia no wa bobo no enso no odi nachi no tete enso no odi nachi because ne ho kire no ne service o ye kra disi council 715 Ghana cedis. 715 Ghana cedis. Na month no kura light bill yatum water bill sa no mani nyina ko beda tua asa faka edidi enti awofo na ebre. Let's not do this to ourselves. Yenya badaye kakra sometimes say in the name of association you know say and then you as an authority approve this say me wo hokra na che say kwabna betena say na me dey kra.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira 104.5 FM.